Now let me show you civil service examination. Civil service examination. So the civil services examination is a nationwide competitive examination conducted by the constitutional body Union Public Service Commission for recruitment to higher civil services of the Government of India, Group A service as well as Group B services, All India services and Central Civil Services, including the Indian Administrative Service, Indian Foreign Service and Indian Police Service, also simply referred to as the UPSC examination or the IAS examination. It is conducted in three phases. The first phase is the preliminary examination consisting of two objective type papers. They are General Studies Paper 1 and General Studies Paper 2, also known as CSAT, that is Civil Service Aptitude Test, which is a qualifying paper. You need to score 33% to clear the examination, to clear the paper 2. And a main examination, second phase of the examination after preliminary examination, it will be main examination. It consists of 9 papers of conventional essay type, in which 2 papers are qualifying in nature. You need to score 33% marks, and only marks of 7 are counted for merit, as well as it is followed by a personality test or interview. A successful candidate sits for almost 32 hours of examination during the complete process spanning around 1 year. How is 32? You have got 2 papers and preliminary examination of 2 hours each. So for preliminary examination it will be 4 hours in total. Okay, and 9 papers of 3 hours each. It will be 9 into 3, 27 hours. So 27 plus 4, 31, and almost a half hour to 1 hour interview personality test. So 31 plus 1, it will be 32 hours. Now you can see the duration: 2 hours paper, 2 papers, preliminary examination, 3 hours, 9 papers, main examination, 1 variable duration of personality test. It is written variable because we are not clear. It will not be exactly 1 hour. Maybe interview varies for individuals, like for one person it will be 20 minutes, for other it will be 40 minutes, for others it will be 50 minutes. Score grade: 200 mark for one paper in preliminary examination, 250 marks for one paper in main examination for almost 7 papers, and for 2 papers, qualifying papers, it will be 300 marks each, and 275 marks for interview, total marks. So total it will be 2025 mains plus interview, that is 1750 plus 275. This will be counted for final merit, and the examination is being conducted once a year. Restrictions on attempts: 6 for general category students. So attempt limit is 6 for general category students, 9 for OBC and persons with benchmark disabilities, like people who are having 40% disabilities. Uh, for general candidates, okay, no limits for SC, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidates. Question papers are normally in Hindi or in English and in English. Answers can be given in any one of the scheduled languages of India, right? You can provide answers for main examination, you can provide answers in any of the scheduled languages as well as in your personality test. Annual numbers of test takers: In 2020, as per the 2020 data, it is almost 10 lakh 40,060 applicants. Out of the 10 lakh 40,060 applicants, 4 lakh 82,770 appeared in preliminary examination. Okay, and eligibility, you must be an Indian citizen, and in certain cases there are relaxation for Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, and Indian Foreign Service. The candidate must be a citizen of India. For other services, the candidate must be one of the following: a citizen of India, a citizen of Nepal or a subject of Bhutan, a Tibetan refugee who settled permanently in India before 1st January 1962, a person of Indian origin who has migrated from Pakistan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Zambia, Malawi, Zaire, that is the East African countries, Ethiopia or Vietnam, with the intention of permanently settled in India. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian nation. Now when you are talking about educational qualification, a degree from a central, state or deemed university, a degree received through correspondence or distance education, you must have a degree from an open university, any degree, a qualification recognized by the government of India as being equivalent to the recognized by the government. You must hold a degree recognized by the government, right? When you're talking about age, for minimum age, it's 21 years to write the examination as of 1st August of the year of examination, and maximum age 32. With respect to certain reserved categories, the prescribed age limits are 35 for OBC students candidates, 37 for SC and ST candidates. For defense service personnel, it is 40 years, and for candidates belonging to ex-servicemen, including commissioned officers, and who have rendered military service for at least 5 years. Okay, on completion of assignment, all these are given. Relaxation up to a minimum of 5 years will be given in the case of ECOs who have completed an initial period of assignment of 5 years of military service. Okay, for ECOs who have completed an initial period of assignment of 5 years, limit is 32 years, and for persons with disabilities, 37 years. For people who are domiciled in Jammu and Kashmir from between 1980-89, 32 years, and for the economically weaker section category, the standard age limits apply, that is the 32. And number of attempts: general category candidates 6 attempts, OBC 9 attempts, SC/ST candidates 37, and unlimited attempts till age 37. Now the attempt 37, unlimited attempts till 37 years of age. You can see the cutoff marks each year. You can see the complete list of services: All India Services, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, and Central Civil Services, and Group B, Group A, as well as Group B services under Central Civil Services. Okay, and fee 100 rupees for general category male candidates and OBC male candidates. The fees exempt for certain categories like SC/ST, female, and persons with benchmark disability. When you're talking about restriction, IAS and IFS, you're not eligible to write the exam again if you're already in the service. IPS, you're not eligible for IPS if you're already in the service. When we talk about the timeline of the examination, during normal times, prelims examination is conducted in the month of June. Main examination is conducted in October. Interview personality test is conducted in March, April months. Within 1 month itself, the result will be announced. Okay, so that's all about introduction class 1. So I hope all these things discussed by us in this class are very clear for you. We'll discuss the second part of introduction in next class, in class number 2.